Hello, I'm Sanjay Sapre, President of Franklin Templeton Asset Management, and I wanted to speak to you today about the upcoming e-voting exercise. The Honorable Supreme Court issued an interim order allowing the trustee of Franklin Templeton to seek consent of the unit holders for the winding up of the 6 schemes under Regulation 1815C of SEBI Mutual Fund Regulations 1996, while keeping redemption suspended. SEBI will appoint an independent observer, and the voting result, along with the report of the observer, will be submitted in a sealed envelope to the court. As you know, we have issued a notice on December 7, 2020 for seeking consent of unit holders, and the result will be announced as per the direction of the court. Let me explain this in a simple manner for all of our viewers. Option 1 will be to vote yes in favor of the orderly winding up. If we get a majority yes vote, the securities in the scheme can be liquidated in an orderly manner without the need to proceed with distress sales, as redemptions are not allowed. This will therefore enable an orderly liquidation of the portfolio assets at fair value. The proceeds realized by the scheme will be distributed to unit holders in proportion to the units held by them at regular intervals. This option will therefore enable recovery of maximum possible value of securities held by the scheme. The authorized person appointed under Regulation 41 would be in a position to take the most appropriate action with regard to liquidation of each security, as there will be no undue haste or selling pressure. The NAV may not be negatively impacted, as liquidation would be orderly and there would be no need for distress sales to urgently fund redemptions. And finally, unit holders will not be required to apply for redemptions. Unit holders will receive regular pro rata distributions of investment proceeds, as assets are systematically liquidated and cash is generated by the scheme. The second choice will be to vote no against the orderly winding up. If we get a majority no vote, firstly, subject to directions from the Supreme Court, the scheme would be required to reopen immediately and may need an emergency liquidation of securities if a high volume of redemptions is received. This may therefore entail distress sales of securities to meet the redemptions received. The market is unlikely to have enough liquidity to absorb such a large quantity of securities over a short period of time, and it may not even be possible to get bids at reasonable prices for all securities in such circumstances. A distress sale of securities held in the portfolio could result in a rapid and steep decline in the NAV, leading to substantial losses for unit holders, irrespective of market conditions. Finally, unit holders will need to apply for redemptions if they wish to receive monies. This may result in a disproportionate distribution of any cash generated to unit holders depending on the time of redemption. Please stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you so much.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.